Gonna work this here till it comes down to V-WAP to see if it'll get a bounce. But added some here. See if we'll get a nice little pop off of Microsoft to start to drive back to the upside. Since the whole market just super breathed back, now we should get a push to the upside after a breathe back like that, right? Kind of the ebbs and flow of the market. When it does a massive flush like that and it doesn't have a lot left to go, buyers come in. So we'll see. Like I said, I'll add more on Microsoft onto V-WAP, and then I'll be extra cautious here. There goes SPY getting the boost back to the upside.
Meta is looking good.
Thank you. There goes the Qs. Also had a boost off of that 405.22. Wasn't that our pre-market setup to the downside? Yeah, it was.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. We were off by 5 cents. See it? SPY getting that boost to the upside. We should see an uptick in volume, and then buyers should come in. But we'll see. Market is pretty funk. I mean, look at Microsoft. Up, down, right? SPY did get a move off that 474-ish. Qs bounced 405.17. Microsoft starting to get just a small amount of volume. It's not going to require much though, and people will push that right back up there. Like I said, I'm in here now on Microsoft to the upside, waiting to see if that'll push. Getting a little more push here. It's barely moving. It's like watching paint dry, but do you guys see how volume's coming in at Microsoft? Do you see how it's starting to push to the upside, everybody?
Yeah.
I'm in.
Yeah, I'd like to see this come back up now on the triple top, pop through, pull back retest to 380.27, and then drive to new high. No problem. All right, here we go. Here's your triple top. Here's your triple top, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to collect some here. Then I'm going to watch for a pop and break and then look for a pullback. I've lightened my load considerably here. Just because if it wants to pull back, I won't get my face ripped off. I've already made a buttload of cash from it. Right, that was another $300 off that little baby move. Here it goes. Here's your drive to the upside. Yeah, baby. That's what we do. We do that every day. Let's get that money train rolling.
Yeah, let's hear the money train.
Watch for the retest.
Here we go.
Just like that. Here's your retest.
Yeah, baby, crank it.
That's glorious right there. There's your retest. Now I want to see a new pop and high a day. Let's see a new pop and high a day. Let's go. Come on. You know what to do. Let's go. Come on. You know what to do. Come on.
She's a real beaut, Clark.
Yeah, she's real nice. There it is. New high a day. Thank you, everybody. Congratulations. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah and all the things. Like that?
That was genius.
Woo!
That was amazing, Coach. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow. And innovation. My God.
Right? Huh? Did that work out? Anybody get in on that? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Woo!